But you don't even know who it's from. Who's it from?
For Grandpa.
From Grandpa and Bobby.
I'm trying to get that sticker up.
You did get the sticker. Okay, go ahead and sit down. Here.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Well, you're welcome, honey, but sit down.
I can't get it, Mama.
You can get it, honey. I got the tape out. Hey, who's on there?
Mama.
Who is that? Oh my goodness. Look at that.
It's mine.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
What's on it?
What's this, Mama?
You know who's on there.
Mama?
Well, it's not. I know Mama has one on her shirt today too.
Yeah.
Today's College Colors Day.
I don't want these on.
Well, you can take them off.
I'll keep my pink undies on.
Well, yeah, keep your undies on. Yeah. That is super cute.
Ew. Can you take my shirt off? Here?
You're learning to do this, aren't you? Yep. It's okay. Here.
Do this. Do this, Mama.
Okay, put your arms up. It's okay. You got one arm. Good job. You can do it. Maybe Daddy can help you now that he's off the phone.
What did you get?
I don't know.
What did you get? She's very excited to put it on.
What is stuck here, silly goose? There. And
There we go.
This. Daddy.
what is it? Hawkeyes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Could you put this on me?
I'll put it on.
I'll put it on.
Who's it from? Did you tell Daddy who sent that to you?
Grandpa did.
And
Bobby.
yeah. You can tell him how much you like it.
Yeah, this one.
Daddy.
You excited? You're gonna be a cheerleader?
Oh, it's cute.
I got my.
Nope.
Well, no, come here, honey. Can we see it first before you go and look? She's got to go look in the mirror is what she's...
Okay, come back down and show them.
Where'd you go? Oh. Can we see?
I found it.
Oh, you have to get your Hawkeye book, too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Found.
And can you say, go Hawkeyes?
Oh, Hawkeye.
What else do you say? What can you tell Grandpa and Bobby?
Thank you, Grandpa. Bye.
And give them a big go Hawkeyes.
Go, Hawkeyes.